Potang may kagawa tamong kasalanan, there are always two parties involved. Panini. The offender and the offended. Itang mi kasala, ang po itang mituran kitang kasalanan agewa mo. In the same way, makanyan mo rin king crime. We have the criminal and the victim. Parehas la rin, the offender and the offended, the criminal and the victim. Impong kaya katamong pamamasang ini, o pamamasat, tasabyan na kaya katamo, nung makanano ing criminal o offender, at ing biktima o ing offended party, nung nano ing gawanda. It's a suggestion actually. What should you do? Well, muna, in criminal, offender, o yung sinner, kailangan ng sabihan ng totoo. Kailangan ng sabihan ng totoo. Mekad mag-suffer ka po tang sinabi mong totoo. Mag-suffer ka, itong inamin mo yung totoo. Pero, sumangid na ng kasakitan na ini, magdala na yung peace of mind. Ayan, sasabihin natin, truth will set you free. Pero anong kasakit, aminan ng katotohan. Lalo na po tang magkamali ka. Diba? Ito yung maging problema. Datang bisang sumabik ng katotohan, ilaretang taong yung may papatudtod ng bengi. Mababagabagla. The advice to the offender is to tell the truth and stick to the truth. Tell the truth and stick to the truth. Dapat gagawang bayong kwento. And then, maninto niyang fall guy para i-blame na No? Gusto. You just have to face it. You have to face the consequences of your actions and be truthful with it. Tayo pakyapusan ng kaya katamong pengaring Eva. Wala tandaan nyo yung Genesis. Wari niya nga, ikuana na nga pangantang prutas, ini kasing kayabi mo ini niya, na inamin, manulduya. Kadapat manuldu, manuno ka, nararingalo. So, itong may kasala ka, admitan mo, sabihan mo yung totoo, and stick to it. Stick to it. He must assume responsibility to his crime. Sin or offense. That's what the offender, the criminal, should do. Kung tatamo kitang meto nga partido, the offended or the victim. O niya naman ning kailangan ng gawan, ning offended or victim, kailangan mahabagin niya. Kailangan merciful niya. Pari nasabihan, makasadyayang mamatawad. Makasadyayang mamatawad, to pardon and to forgive. So, adwalang puntos din kaya katamong sa pisabihan niya ni. The offended should always be merciful, while the offender should always tell the truth. Oretaring rolda. The offended should be merciful, the offender should tell the truth. Ita mo po, may offend na wari. Gusto ko ba? O may offend, ning kay maging offender ka naman ka ring aliwa. Ikaw po. So, each one of us, it's either an offender or an offended or both. Di ba? Siguro nasa inyo pong ma-offend. Nasa inyo naman maka-offend kayong aliwang tao. So you see, ingkutang niya ni kaya katamo, if all of us are offenders and offended, ingkutang, what kind of an offender are you? Nano kang klaseng offender? Ko-cover up mo ba? Ko-cover mo ba rin yung offenses mo? Aminan mo la ba? O maglaram ka? O madalas maglaram ka, magpalusot ka, gagawa kang paralan para alika ali ka ma-front. Nano kang klaseng offender? Are you doing what is supposed to be done? Now, no naman offended ka, what kind of an offended one are you? Tatanam ka bang mwa? Karetang taong may nyakit ka? Tatanam ka ba? Andiyan ka farmer? Pananam ka ba? Andiyan ka hortelano? Na magpabayat at magpasakit king kang puso? Mabiyasa tamo po sana king hapong Ginoo. Mabiyasa tamo kaya. May we be truthful offenders. May we be compassionate offended ones. Be truthful offenders and compassionate offended ones. Yan po, ang pagpigunaman tamong iningaldo.